How to enable or disable suggested stickers for text messages to show sticker replied options on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. After that, we go back to the messages screen. Then tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on messages settings. In here, we go down and then tap on suggestions. After that, go down and tap on suggested stickers. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is switch on, your text messages will be able to show sticker reply options. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages list. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.